Stem cell transplants are currently being used to treat people living with various diseases. There are two types of transplants: allogeneic and autologous. An allogeneic hematopoietic stem cell transplant is a medical procedure in which a patient with a genetic disease receives blood stem cells from a healthy person, referred to as a donor. The donor stem cells create a supply of new cells. These new cells contain the functioning gene that can help make up for the genetic defect. The best results for an allogeneic transplant occur with stem cells from a donor with a matching tissue type, usually a sibling. However, less than 25% of transplant candidates have a sibling with a match. One possible outcome of an allogeneic transplant is graft versus host disease, which occurs when the donated cells attack the patient's cells because they appear foreign. Another possible outcome is graft rejection, which occurs when the patient's cells attack the donated cells. To prevent graft versus host disease and graft rejection, patients require medication to suppress their immune systems. Immune suppression helps prevent the patient's body and the donor stem cells from recognizing each other as foreign. Another type of stem cell transplant is an autologous transplant, which can be used in gene therapy. In an autologous transplant, a patient receives back his or her own stem cells. In order to treat a specific genetic disease, the patient's stem cells are modified with a functioning gene to help correct the disease. Graft versus host disease and rejection do not occur with autologous transplants, and long-term immunosuppressive therapy is not needed.